Hi everyone, welcome into Postman tutorial. Today in this tutorial, I will show you how to use data-driven testing in Postman. It means testing one API again and again with different data, like different username and password without typing each one manually. So let's begin. Create a new request, click on new and then click on HTTP. Now, here we can select method. Here multiple methods are available. We will use login example for data driven testing. Select post method and then enter URL here. Now, open Chrome browser and here you can view API for login successful. This is API post method and we need to enter email and password, then we will get the token in a response and we will get the response code 200. Okay, it means successful. Now click on this link. First enter complete URL, open Postman and then enter URL here. Now next thing we need to do here, we need to enter username and password. Open this body section, click on raw and then enter username and password here. We will enter username and password in CSV file and then enter variable here. So enter username and password, open this post login, copy this email and password. Now open Postman and then enter here. Here we need to enter email and the second one is password. Now open Excel and enter here email and the second variable is password. Enter email here and password. Open Postman. This is email for login. Copy this complete email and open Excel. Enter here email and next we need to enter password. Okay, so copy this password and enter password here. Now save this file in CSV format. Click on file and then click on save and we save file here in this location data. Make sure save type is CSV. Click on CSV and then click on save. Click on yes. Now here one thing we need to be notice, email and password. So you need to enter email and password variable name here in post in body section. So here we remove and enter variable name email and the second variable name is password. Password here. Data driven testing means using a file like CSV or JSON. In Postman, you can select the file CSV or JSON in which have many rows of data. Postman will use this file to run the same request multiple times. Suppose you want to log in with multiple users. So you can enter the data in CSV file. Now click on send. We have already. So first we need to save. Click on save request. Let's create a new collection here. We can create a new collection here. So click on new collection, enter collection name login and then click on create. Now we have successfully created a new collection. We just add this request in login collection. Click on save. after saving, we need to select a file. So here we will click on three dot, click on run. After clicking on run, here multiple options are available for running. You can run manually, schedule runs, automatically run via CLI. And if you want to execute this request on multiple times, so you can increase iteration here. And if you want to add the delay, so you can enter the time in millisecond here. Now import this file, test data file. Only JSON and CSV file are accepted. Here you can just select a file, either JSON or CSV. Click on select file, select from computer, click on data, and then click on open. Now here this is email and the second one is password. Click on upload to workspace. This is the advanced setting available here. File rename, a file name data already exists in this workspace. Here it shows file already present. So here click on select file, click on data, and then click on continue. Now we can run the test. Click on run, login, and here we are getting some error, missing API key, and we can get the API key from this link. Copy this link and open Chrome browser, enter URL here. Here copy this name and open Postman, open this API and open header section. In header section we can add this key. Copy this complete key and enter value here. Now click on save and again run the test. Click on three dot and then click on run. Select the file data.csv, click on continue and then click on run login. Now here you can view request sent successfully and we are getting 200 response code, and this is the token for login. Now add the test script here, open script section and post response. Use JavaScript to write test. Here we can write the test. So here write tm dot test status should be 200 and function here, after function enter here curly brackets. Inside we will write the test case. We are expecting 200 response code. So here we will enter pm dot response dot true dot have dot status 200. We are expecting 200 response code. Okay. Now click on save this request and then click on three dot, click on run and then select the file data.csv, click on continue and then click on run login. As you can view here, iteration 1 pass status should be 200. Okay. We can view response here by clicking on this link, and here pass 1 failed 0 skipped 0. You can run the request by adding iteration 2 or 3. You can execute this request multiple times by adding more iteration. So this is how you can add data in CSV file and you perform data driven testing in a Postman. If you like this content, please subscribe to SK World for more automation tutorials. See you in the next video.